Did you know you can add a screenshot button directly to your iPhone screen? Here is my screenshot button. All I need to do is tap on it. And just like that, it takes a screenshot and saves it to the photos of my iPhone. I can also press and hold on the action button. And just like that, it will also take a screenshot. I'll show you exactly how to do this. The first thing I'm going to do is just delete out this one and create a new one for you. So swipe down from the top and then type in shortcuts and tap on the shortcuts app. From here, again, I'm going to delete out my old shortcut so I can show you how to create a new one. After you've done that, tap on the plus at the top right. Next to new shortcut, tap the drop down arrow at the top and then choose rename. Rename this to screenshot and then hit the check mark. Next, tap the drop down arrow again and hit choose icon. From here, I usually set this to red, but you can set it to whatever you want. And you can choose a symbol, but I usually have it set to the camera symbol right here. After you've done that, swipe down to get out of here. Now you've named it and set the icon. Let's tap search actions next and type in take and tap on take a screenshot. However, after you've done that, we need to make sure it saves it to the Photos app of your iPhone. So tap on search actions and then type in save and tap on save to photos. Now we're good to go. We have that shortcut. Tap the drop down arrow at the top right and then tap on add to home screen. And next tap on add. Just like that, you can see that screenshot app. I can tap on it and it takes a screenshot. However, if you wanted to add it to the action button as well, I'll show you how to do that. Tap on the settings app of your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on action button. From here, all you need to do is swipe all the way over until you get to shortcut. Tap on the shortcut option and then just choose screenshot, the shortcut you just created. Just like that, you can either tap on the icon to take a screenshot, or you can press and hold on the action button here. And you can see just like that, it will also take a screenshot and save it to your photo gallery. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.